Cats need to consume about 45 to 50% of their daily calories from protein. For an average adult cat, that's roughly 25 to 30 grams per day. One of the keys is to provide high-quality protein, like chicken, turkey, lean beef, or fish. Mix it up by rotating between different protein sources to keep your cat interested and ensure they get all the essential nutrients they need. Your cat will benefit from a good mix of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. A quick tip: drizzle some fish or flaxseed oil over their protein. And you can't forget about the extras. Adding a small amount of fruits and veggies to your cat's diet can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Pumpkin, green beans, and carrots are some great options.